Hmm. Ang bilis ng ano, sis. Ang bilis na ng ano. So, ayan, simulan na natin. Simulan na natin. There. So, dito may garden. Gusto rin guys nag-anak ng mga garden. Yan, di ba? Maganda. Net. Yan. Ay, okay. Nay. Palot natin siya. See? Ganda talaga pag may ano. Try ko. Bay, ano ba yan? May ano. Ay, sakit. Uy. Guys, oh. Look at that. See? My likes. Yes. You see that, guys? Oh, so nice. Oh, ikot-ikot lang namin. Dito tayo. Is it nice? Dito, ma. Be. Yan. Tapos lagyan ko lang sa gitna, ilagyan ko lang siya ng ano. Better na ito. There. Dito wala siya. Yan, iba-iba. O, di ba natapos, guys? Wala pang 1 hour. Wala pang 1 hour natapos na siya. Yung isang, it's nice right now. So, that's my Christmas garden today. So, yan. There. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yung unang ano pa? Yung unang ano, yung unang function ba? Yung maganda. Yung unang maganda. Yung pinakauna niya, yung parang lahat sila. See. Check to make sure the lens has no tears or particles attached to it. Using both middle fingers, pull your eyelids apart while maintaining a firm grip to prevent blinking. Insert gently onto the colored part of the eye. The lens will simply wrap around it. To ensure that the lens is correctly set in place, you may need to adjust it or gently rotate your eyes to settle the lens. Let go of your upper lid. Yung pinakauna yata pa. Don't worry if you don't get it at first. It's practice. If you drop the lens or it's drying out, use the solution. Hi, Lolo. Lolito World Tracker. Hello. Hello, host. Hello, Lolito. Ayan, nag-decorate na naman tayo ng ating garden kasi tawag nito Christmas November 13 na. So, nag-decorate na naman ako ng aking garden. Yun na naman aking gusto it garden. Is it nice? Lolito World Tracker.